Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to DEX screener. So start by opening your Phantom Wallet, and what you need to do is simply click on the browser on the bottom right and simply search for DEX screener. Once you search for this, simply go for the first one, and as you can see, the DEX screener is now open and you can see all these trades right here. If you want to search for a specific coin, you can simply click on it and now you can easily search for it. You will also have the explore option on the top right corner, which you can see your portfolio gainers and loss. You have all the coins that are available right in this place. If you want to sign in, simply click on this sign in button and you are just going to need to sign in with your credentials. So if you want to connect your wallet, just simply click on this connect wallet, and right now you don't have the Phantom wallet, so just click on any one of these and click on the connect button. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to connect Phantom wallet to DEX screener. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.